Two giants in the Android world face off, Samsung's latest value king against Google's premium powerhouse. Which one really delivers? On the left, the feature-packed Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And on the right, the cutting-edge Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, check this out. We're going to break these phones down category by category. I'll walk you through price, performance and processor, camera, battery and charging, design and display, updates and security, and finally, ecosystem and AI. Got it? Cool. Let's go from the top. So first up, price. Let's talk about the Galaxy A16 5G. This phone, it's giving real bang for the buck. You get plenty of features that honestly feel kind of flagship-y, and you don't have to sell a kidney to own it. Sure, the build is plastic, so it doesn't ooze luxury, but you gotta admit, the value is fire. Now, swing to the Pixel 10 Pro. It's premium. No getting around it. We're talking glass, metal, the whole nice resale value package. But listen, the price tag? Whew, that's a commitment. Plus, if you want those nice accessories, be ready to cough up even more. So who's our winner for price? Obvious, right? Samsung Galaxy A16 5G takes it. Now, on to performance. Galaxy A16 5G holds up for your day-to-day stuff, like scrolling socials, shooting off DMs, and basic games. It's actually pretty smooth for what it is, thanks to Exynos or Dimensity 6300, but if you're a hardcore gamer or multitasker, you might hit some walls. Then, flip to the Pixel 10 Pro. It goes full beast mode. That new Google Tensor G5 chip, it's all about pro-level AI and multitasking. Honestly, almost too much muscle for the average person. Yeah, maybe it gets a little toasty if you're hammering it with AI stuff. But if you want pure performance, Pixel 10 Pro wins this one, hands down. All right, let's hit cameras. Samsung's A16 5G brings a triple camera setup, including a pretty solid 50-megapixel main lens. It nails daytime shots and doesn't disappoint. But at night, you're definitely losing out. Ultra-wide and macro features just exist. The Pixel 10 Pro, okay, this is wild. It's got that insane computational photography. 64-megapixel main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses all on board. Night sight is the real deal. So if you want the best possible phone shots in any light, Pixel's got you. Some pro features you might not touch, but the results speak for themselves. Pixel 10 Pro absolutely takes the crown in this round. Oh, and here's something cool I gotta mention. Did you know the Galaxy A16 5G gets 6 years of updates? That's seriously the longest update cycle for any budget Android right now. Even some flagships don't go this far. Battery and charging. Super important nowadays. Galaxy A16 5G is running a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and Samsung claims up to 47 hours talk time. You could practically forget the charger some days. 25-watt fast charging is nice too, but heads up, sometimes you don't actually get the charger in the box, which stings. With the Pixel 10 Pro, you get an even bigger 5,200 milliamp hour battery, slightly faster wired charging with 33 watts, and wireless charging. Very cool. But if you're really hammering the AI stuff, the battery can dip faster than you'd expect. Overall, for practicality and value, Galaxy A16 5G edges out the Pixel here. Design and display. I think this is where the gap really shows. Galaxy A16 5G has that Super AMOLED 90Hz screen, and honestly, it looks great, especially for binge watching or gaming casually. It's big, it's bright, but the plastic build and no water resistance is a bit meh. The Pixel 10 Pro, though, it's in a different class. You get that glass and metal feel, HDR10+, 120Hz LTPO OLED for ultra-smooth everything, and it's IP68 water and dust resistant. It is a bit heavier, and honestly can feel slippery, but if you want a phone that screams premium, Pixel 10 Pro wins. Updates and security. Okay, Samsung came to play this year. The Galaxy A16 5G gets 6 years of OS and security updates. Plus, you've got Knox security working in the background. Amazing for a budget phone, right? Now, the Pixel 10 Pro. Google's giving you 7 years major OS and security updates, plus its Tensor security core. So you're pretty much covered long-term, too. At this point, it's honestly a tie. Both are industry leaders, which is super cool. Ecosystem and AI. Now, here's where things get interesting. Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is fine. You get Samsung Wallet, TV Plus, and standard stuff. Honestly, it's good, but doesn't blow your mind. The Pixel 10 Pro is all about that AI life. It's got super tight Google integration, works seamlessly with Google Home, Assistant, and packs tons of new smart features in 2025. If that's your jam, you'd love it, but just remember, there's a bit more Google lock-in. But for best ecosystem and those wild AI features, Pixel 10 Pro easily takes it. All right, so looking back on that matchup, we've got a clear split. Samsung Galaxy A16 5G pulls ahead for price, battery, and matches on updates, while Pixel 10 Pro dominates performance, camera, design, and AI ecosystem. You can really see how each phone targets a totally different audience. So, what do I think? If you're watching your wallet and want reliability, Galaxy A16 5G is hands down the best value deal in 2025. But if you want the very top-tier Android experience with wild AI features and pro-level camera and power, go Pixel 10 Pro. It's a classic case of you get what you pay for. Was this breakdown helpful? Stick around. Subscribe for more head-to-head tech